Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Naman. Today we'll be looping statements in QBASIC. So a QBASIC is a high-level programming language. Like in the previous classes, we have learned about QBASIC, like all the statements: CLS, let, input, and if then else, if then rem. So today we're going to learn a new topic, looping statements in QBasic. So I'll be starting. So you can see QBasic right here. So I'll be just giving an introduction to loops. So while sometimes when we're programming, we might while sometimes when we're programming, we might want to repeat the execution of a certain set of statements multiple times. So this can be done by using loops. So a loop is basically used to repeat the execution of a group of statements many times. So today we'll be just learning one set of loop, which is the for next loop. So the for next statement is used when you want to want a group of statements to be executed a specific number of times. So so I'll just show you a basic uh, for next statement. So I'm going to type for a equals to 1, 2, 3. So now we wanted to display hello 3 times. So I have to write print. So we have to write print in inverted commas hello close quotation marks. So now we have to write, it's the for next statement. So we have to write next at the end of each program. We have to write next along with the variable next a. So now we'll run the program. So now you can see the output. It has displayed hello 3 times. So now let me tell you the basic parts of this program. So the control variable is a. So a is controlling the most of the program. Next, the initial value is 1, and the final value, which is the final value, which is the output, is 3. So hello is the body of the loop, which means that we want the output to display hello the number of times, particular number of times. So the step value is 1 and the final value is 3. So these are the basic parts of this statement. So the value of a in 1 is less than or equal to 3. So the statement is true. So the output is going to be hello once. So and the value of a in 2 is less than or equal to 3. So that statement is also true. So it will display hello 2 times. And then 3 is less than or equal to 3. That's also true. So it will display hello 3 times. But next, when we say 4 is less than or equal to 3, so the statement is false. So it will loop ends and no output will be displayed. So now we'll be doing another simple program. So this time we will be using step values. So we can use a step value to specify the value by which we control the variable. So I'm going to show the program. So it's a simple program again. So this time I'm going to write for y equals to 1, 2, 10, and now we're going to put the step value. So it's going to be step 2. So it's going to count in twos. So next we have to write print y. So y is the variable, so we have to print the variable. Next we have to write the for next statement, as you know. So in the for next statement we have to write next along with the control variable, which is y. So now let's run the program. So now the output has come. So the step value was 2. So it was counting in twos, like skipping in twos. So 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 till 10. So these are the 5 numbers which come as the output when we put the step value as 2 and we start from 1. So this was another easy statement. Now let me tell you the values of these statements. So in the following program, the control variable y changes by 2 every time the body of the loop gets executed. So we can also assign a negative number as a step value. So I'll be giving you an example how to tell a negative number as a step value. So this one will do for x equals to 10 to 1. Now the step value will be -2. So now we have to print x, and since it's a for next statement, we have to write next along with the control variable, which is x. So now we're going to run the statement. So you can see the output 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So it's going backwards from 10 to 1, and the step is -2. So it's going to subtract. By 2. So these are negative numbers. So the value of the control variable is decreased by the step value every time the loop is executed. So when the step value is negative, the initial value of the control variable is more than the final value. So now we are going to do the step value as a real number. Like real number means decimal number. So for example, I'll take for k equals to 1, 2, 3. So the step value is for example 0.25. So this is the decimal value or a real number. So now we are going to print k. Now since it's in for next statement, we have to write next plus the control variable. So now let's run the program. So yes, so the initial value of this was 1, 2, 3. So we have to, the step value was 0.25. So we have to count from 0.25. So it will be 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2, 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, then 3. So that was the initial value. So thank you for joining today's class. I will be ending this session now. Our next video will also be on QBASIC, and we'll be learning some uh, hard for next statements. So thank you, and please like and subscribe my channel.